How to distinguish between so many Mi robot vacuum cleaner? We have cautionally reminded most customers that Xiaomi has introduced a variety of sweeping robot products with names that are quite similar, making it simple to be misled. However, many people are unclear about this, making it simple to make mistake while purchasing the associated accessories. Today, I'm here to assist you understand the differences between Xiaomi's robot vacuum cleaner products. The first generation of Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum, a product designed and developed by Roborock, OPM, manufactured by Sunwoda and sold by Xiaomi under a label. Its English name is Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum, and the model name is SDJQR01RR, as stated at the label. With the English name Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum 1S and the model number SDJQR03RR, the Xiaomi Mi 1S is an improved version of the prior one. Since both machines were created by Roborock, they are essentially interchangeable in terms of accessories. The 1S features an extra camera and a new visual navigation feature, as you can see from the picture. The Xiaomi 1C is the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop, a sweeper that only uses optical navigation and not have LDS laser navigation, making it significantly less expensive. However, it includes a mopping feature, making it still somewhat useful. Its OEM production is manufactured by Dream, a Xiaomi eco-chain company, and its model number is STYTJ01ZHM. The recently announced Xiaomi 1T Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro Plus model name STYTJ02ZHM, released by Xiaomi, is also from Dream, so it is also universal. In terms of accessories, Xiaomi G1 is known as the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop. This model name MGST-G1 is created and manufactured, ODM, by another manufacturer of sweepers, Shenzhen Silverstar. The main benefit of this machine is its low cost. It relies on gyroscopic inertial navigation and infrared collision deceleration to accomplish the so-called intelligent planning and cleaning. It lacks LDS laser navigation and optical navigation. Its experience will likely be a little worse than that of other models, as you might expect. Following Roborock's decision to leave Xiaomi, the latter provided support to a eco-chain company Xiomi in order to help them produce the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P. The model number of this device is STYJ02YM. So its accessories are compatible with Xiomi's V2, V2 Pro, V3 and even SC. Xiaomi launched another Mijio Robot Vacuum Mop Pro model named MGSTS1, which is to be the same manufacturer as the G1.